It's like a pineapple. Like,
Turn around, son.
that's just, I ain't got it cut. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? This how I do when I go to the club. I be like, yo, yeah, I got about 12 of us. How the back look? Yeah, like I said, it's about 12 of us. And we're gonna need a table. You know what I'm saying? Bottle service, yeah, that's cool. You know what I'm saying? I can't bring this in the club? Oh, yeah, right. Bringing this in the club. Yeah, so it's about 13 of us. Yeah, we need a table. That's how I talk to my mom. What's up, mom? Chillin'. Police pulled me over. License registration. Alright, hold on. I'm on my 38th stroke. I gotta get 45 in. You know what I'm saying? How you doing, though, officer? Having a good day? Yeah, my day's pretty well. You know what I'm saying? Waves ain't spinning like I want them to, but I'm still crushing everybody else. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I came out my mom's coochie like this. You know what I'm saying? I can't. This how I came out, son.
Ah, this nigga's a fool.
I came out backwards like this. Nigga start pulling on my head. Like, oh, hold up, doc. Don't pull my head, doc. I'm coming out. Just let me be easy, dog. Hold up. Nigga, I told you don't pull on. Nigga did it again. I raised my brush up. The doctor's like, this nigga's unordinary. What kind of kids you got? They pulled me out. They tried to put me on the table. I said, the hell off me. Stand me up on the floor. Stood up like that. I said, where's a mirror? I need a mirror. Got in the mirror.
I present this recording as a living
Hey!
regulation of history in the making.